Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So here is you how to fix Facebook Messenger is not working on Android phone and iOS. So how you can fix this issue simply step by step and follow them. So let's get started video. First of all, open settings on your phone and then tap on search bar and search here Messenger. Now click here. So now you can see is Messenger available. Now type it and then tap on storage and cache. Now click here. After that, clear cache and clear storage. Now tap OK. Now click here and back, and then back home screen. Again open Play Store and then search bar and search here Messenger. Now click here Messenger. Now tap it. Now we can see is asking updated Messenger app. Now tap on update. So guys, is updating Messenger app on my phone. So after that, if your phone is asking update Messenger app, so please update app and back home screen. Again open settings and then scroll down and click on systems. After that, tap on reset options. Now tap on reset app preference. Tap reset app. Now back home screen. Close page. Again tap on Messenger app and tap on uninstalls and again reinstall app on your phone and again open Messenger app. So tap continue. Then tap save. Now you can see it's working. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching video. Thank you.